This 1964 Dodge Polara two-door hardtop is a full-size Mopar with serious intent. Finished in white over two-tone blue interior, it keeps its classic presence, backed by a professionally built 520 cubic inch stroker V8. Under the hood, a 440 cubic inch base big block built with premium internals, a forged crank, H-beam rods, Keith black pistons, ported aluminum heads, and a solid roller camshaft. Air and fuel come through a cross-ram intake with dual Edelbrock carburetors, while MSD ignition keeps everything in check. The result? 452 horsepower and 626 pound-feet of torque. Power is routed through a push-button TorqueFlite automatic transmission, recently rebuilt and paired with a 3,500 RPM stall converter. Out back, a Dana 60 with 410 gears and a Detroit TrueTrack differential put it all to the pavement. Tubular headers, 3-inch exhaust, and electric cutouts give it a sound to match its output. The exterior stays true to form. Quad headlights, chrome trim, and Fratzog badging. All sitting on Cragar SS wheels with pie crust slicks in the back. Inside, it's all period correct. Two-tone bench seats, factory gauges, and a column-mounted moon tachometer with auxiliary readouts below. It's a straightforward build, done right, and built to perform. A classic Polara reworked into a torque-heavy street machine with the hardware to back her up. And the best news of all is that this car could be yours right now. For more information on this awesome Polara or to learn how you can take it for a test drive, contact LRA Auto Sales at 215-781-3790 or email us at sales@lrasales.com.